Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Fun Mania. With God's grace, we do have the Iqoo Z11x and we have two different variants of the Iqoo 11x. So the first one is the 8GB 256GB, that's the top end variant in the Titan black color, and then we have the 6GB 128GB variant in the prismatic green color. So guys, let's start from the unboxing. Okay, so we are getting a void seal as well. Okay, so here is the phone. Let's keep it aside. Let's check what else are we getting. So the basic things: a decent quality case, just okay, and then we have the important information, warranty card. Then along with that we have a quick start guide as well, and the Vivo flash charge, which you can see 44-watt Vivo flash charge, and USB type A to type C data cables, and a SIM ejector tool. So that's it. And okay, is the prismatic green. Okay, and along with that you can see a pattern kind of, you can see 1 2 3 4, a layer kind of pattern is also there, and you can have a close-up, and it's, you can see the Iqoo branding, and it feels a sort of matte kind of thing, and it doesn't have the fingerprint sort of thing, and yeah, looks nice by the way. Okay, so how does this look? And the right side, the top, the left side, and the bottom. Okay, now let's compare with the Titan black, and this is the Titan black color, and both are not fingerprint bands. You can see both looks really nice, and this has got this type of a pattern as well, and yeah, it's purely subjective, but it's look kind of a sky bluish type of green. Okay, you can see, and this looks like a more like a, not that, yes, it's do look like a black, or a, you can see a darkest side of blue as well, so looks nice. And this has also got this sort of matte finish kind of look, and you can see grainy finish all over there, and when the light reflects it also shows some reflections as well. So, and so this is how both of them looks. And if you look at the camera modules, you can see completely black versus this complementary color over there. And mint color is also feel sometimes. So, and you can see the top, okay, and the right sides, okay, you can see, and the left, and the bottom. Okay, so if you are interested in a sort of a light pale color, you are not just interested in do just basic blacks, and then you could just directly go with this color. And here one more thing to notice, you are getting a sort of a square kind of a pattern. Sometimes you can see here is one block kind of pattern is also going, but it depends on the light reflection. So you can see here is also one line, it feels like a small blocks of squares, but maybe you only see this type of slabs only, so it depends upon how the light reflects on the phone. So apart from that, this feels really nice. If you love that sort of block kind of pattern, then this would be a really nice choice. Okay, and along with that, if you're interested in black, then it's pure black, no sort of a stripe kind of look over there versus just a pure black. It's completely upon you, and a light kind of finish over here as well. You can see, wow, a shiny glossy kind of black, not just a matte black versus, okay, so versus this one. Okay, so both are getting the sort of same reflection, but this has got this pattern as well. So that's the difference between these two of them. So which one do you personally like? Do let me know in the comment section. So now it's time to check the RAM and storage of these two devices. So this is the 6 GB RAM versus this is the 8 GB RAM, and this is the 128 GB storage versus the 256 GB storage. So it's gonna be really interesting. So let me turn on the devices. RAM and storage. So you can see 103 GB is available on the 128 GB variant versus 230 GB is available for the 256 GB variant. And now let's check the RAM. You can see currently the external RAM is turned on, and currently you can see in the 8 GB RAM variant you can see almost 11 GB is available and it is used almost 5 GB, and on the 6 GB variant you can see almost 7.88 is available, used is 4.12 GB. But I am gonna turn off the external RAM right now and gonna check, because the external RAM doesn't works all the time and sometimes it could lead slowing up the device as well. So restart now. Let's wait. Now we can see the actual difference between these two devices. Let's see the boot up devices as well. So this is the 8 GB on the left versus 6 GB on the right. Let's see, is there any difference while the devices boot up? Obviously I think the 8 GB would boot faster. Let's wait. Yeah, a bit faster only, not much of a difference. Let's wait. Okay, still loading. Yeah, it's done. 1 2 3. Okay, 3 seconds delay. And yeah, apart from that, okay, check the RAM and storage once again. RAM and storage, RAM and storage, RAM. Now you can see just 2.14 GB is available on the 6 GB RAM variant versus 3.70 GB is available on the 8 GB RAM variant. So that's the difference. But I would say you can see 3.86 is used on the 6 GB versus 4.30 is used on the 8 GB. So keep that in mind as well. So if this 100 GB, close to 100 GB you will be getting as free versus close to 230 GB you will be getting as free on the 256 GB variant. So guys, that was it regarding a quick unboxing and the RAM and storage details of the 6 GB versus 8 GB variant, as well as 128 GB versus 256 GB. So that's it today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.